Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto apple pie roll-ups. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 medium zucchinis, and you want those peeled and diced. Then we need 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of some kind of monk fruit sweetener or some kind of sugar substitute. If you have the brown sugar, that's even better, but I don't at this time. Then we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then for the coating, we need 3 more tablespoons of some kind of sugar substitute, 3 more tablespoons of butter that we're going to melt, and then a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we want to use the La Banderita zero carb street tacos. All right, now over medium heat in a medium saucepan, I have my zucchini, my butter, my brown sugar or just regular sugar substitute, and my teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just going to cook that over medium heat, stirring it until our zucchini is tender. All right, my zucchini is starting to get a little more tender, but I still have a while to go. It's been about 5 minutes. So I already got out an 8x10 pan, sprayed it with cooking spray. I have my 3 tablespoons of monk fruit in here and my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I already mixed that together. And then I have my butter in a little bowl getting ready to microwave it, and my oven is preheated to 350. All right, my zucchini is a little more tender now, so I went ahead and removed it from the stovetop, and now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my little tortillas here. It probably is going to be more like 10 than 8, but we'll see. All right, my tortillas are all stuffed, and I wasn't gentle with mine. I did not crease the edges because these are little guys, and I ended up using 13. Don't worry if some of the filling falls out in the bottom. It doesn't matter. So next, I'm going to sprinkle my cinnamon sugar mixture over top and then pour over my melted butter, and then we're going to get that in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. All right, my roll-ups just came out of the oven, and they look and smell delicious. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. And I bought some keto vanilla caramel ice cream to go over top. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.